Welcome to the BTR Review Collaboration Tool. This video is designed to help you confidently navigate and use the tool throughout the Biennial Transparency Report review process. Whether you are a technical expert reviewer or a technical review officer, this walkthrough will show you where to find what you need, how to complete your tasks efficiently, and how the tool supports structured and collaborative reviews. We'll walk through the main areas of the tool step by step, starting from login, moving through task management, review workspaces, checklists, questions, and ending with report preparation and collaboration features. After logging in, you'll arrive at the main landing page. This page is your starting point for accessing all reviews assigned to you. At the top of the screen, you'll see your initials displayed in a circular icon. This confirms you are logged in under your own user account. To begin working on a review, use the Year drop-down to select the relevant review year. Once selected, the parties assigned to you for that year will appear. You can also search for a party directly using the search bar at the top. The main table shows key information at a glance, such as the party name, review year, your role, the current review status, and when the workspace was last updated. To enter a review workspace, simply select the arrow next to the party. At any point, you can return to this main page by selecting the UNFCCC logo in the top left corner. Once inside a party's review workspace, you'll see the main navigation menu on the left-hand side. This navigation pane gives you access to all key parts of the review process. The menu items you see are based on your role and access rights. On the right-hand side, you'll find quick access panels that help you jump straight into your work. These include your relevant review tasks, the overall review overview, the reference library and TERT folder, and your recently opened documents. At the top, the search bar allows you to quickly find TERTs, folders, documents, or users, saving you time as reviews progress. The calendar icon takes you directly to the Microsoft Teams channels linked to your reviews. These channels are used for quick communication and collaboration. Next to it, the bell icon shows notifications related to your tasks and actions that may require your attention. To manage your work, select Task Overview from the left menu, or use the See All option from the Task panel. Here, you'll find a detailed list of tasks related to the review, including task descriptions, due dates, assigned users, and current status. You can switch between Team Tasks and My Tasks, depending on whether you want to see the full picture or focus on your own responsibilities. Tasks are grouped into 4 tabs, all pending, in progress, and completed. Color coding helps you quickly understand progress. Blue for pending tasks, orange for tasks in progress, and green for completed ones. Technical review officers shall update task statuses using the Edit option, marking progress as work advances. Tasks should be completed in the intended sequence to maintain consistency. The Review Overview section provides a high-level snapshot of the review. Here, you can see the current status of the review and key dates, helping you stay aligned with timelines. Additional review-related information will be added here as the tool continues to evolve. The reference library contains documents and guidance materials relevant to all reviews. These materials are maintained by the tool administrators and are available for viewing and downloading for other users. To access documents specific to the party under review, select Switch to TERT folder. Depending on your permissions, you may be able to upload new files using the Add New option and synchronize updates using the Sync function. Other actions, such as rename, move, copy, share, or download, are available based on your access rights. The Analytical Tools section provides access to supporting analytical tools for your review work. Each tool opens in a new window, and access depends on your assigned permissions. Currently available tools include the GHG Locator, Comparison Tool, SODT, NDC Progress Navigator, and the Tier Dashboard. Additional analytical tools will be added over time as they become available. The review space is where the core assessment and review work takes place. Here, you'll find all applicable thematic review checklists, each giving an overview of how reporting requirements are assessed. Each reporting requirement is evaluated using standardized categories, such as consistent, partially non-consistent, assessing, not started, or not applicable. Selecting a checklist opens the detailed assessment for that thematic area. From this space, you can also navigate to report preparation, the questions and answers, areas of improvement and capacity building needs overview module. For specific checklist, selecting reporting requirements opens the detailed view. Breadcrumbs at the top help you keep track of where you are. You can move between reporting requirements using the previous and next buttons, or the numbered indicators. Each indicator is color-coded based on the assessment status. Here, you can view reporting requirements, review guidance, add notes, attach supporting files, and raise questions directly when needed using the option on the right-hand side under the Questions tab. You can also raise areas of improvement and capacity building needs using the dedicated options on the right-hand side under respective tab. Currently, these two tabs are under Enhancement. When an assessment is marked as no or partially, you can raise a question directly for the reporting requirement you are assessing. Enter a clear question title, select the appropriate question type, and provide supporting details. You may attach files, save the question as a draft, or submit it for approval. A similar process applies to areas of improvement and capacity building needs, with some workflow differences. Once questions are raised in the checklist section, those questions are managed and viewed, such approve, reject, send to party, follow up, and view responses, in the Questions and Answers Overview module. To access Question and Answer Overview module, click the Review Space menu in the left menu pane and select Questions and Answers Overview module. Here in this Question and Answer Overview page, you find all the questions and answers for your party in the tabular format. The provided information includes action, status, reporting requirement, review area, and question ID. You can filter questions by review area, reporting requirement status, or ranking. Questions are grouped into all requiring action and drafts. Selected questions can be exported to Excel for offline review and sharing. When action is required, the Manage option becomes available, allowing you to approve, reject, edit, or send questions to the party. In View option, you can only read the question and answers. Clicking a View or Manage options opens the Question and Answers form with details, history, and action buttons as required. Edit, approve, reject, send the question to the party, and follow up the response provided by the party based on your role or question status. The question and answer form is being improved to enhance user-friendliness. The Report Preparation module supports collaborative drafting of review reports. All tasks related to report drafting are listed here. Tier templates, including the main report and addendum, are available and updated in real time. By opening the report in the desktop application, team members can collaborate seamlessly. Task statuses shall be updated by the TRO as drafting progresses. Embedded Microsoft Teams channels allow quick communication between TROs and TERTs, as well as between TROs and parties. Access to these channels is fully controlled to ensure appropriate information sharing. The development of the review issue database is currently in progress. This database will compile questions raised by the Tier T during the question and answer phase of the BTR reviews. Additionally, a separate database will be established to document areas for improvement, capacity building needs, and flexibility provisions, as finalized and published in the Technical Expert Review Reports. This concludes the walkthrough of the BTR Review Collaboration Tool. The tool is designed to support transparent, structured, and collaborative reviews throughout the BTR process. Thank you for using the BTR Review Collaboration Tool, and we wish you a productive review experience.